Okay, so Wednesday, April the 29th, we're going to look at percent composition. This still deals with the molar mass we've been doing. So, percent composition wants to know when you look at a compound and you look at the mass of that compound, what percentage of it is based off of the hydrogen and what percentage of it is based off of the oxygen. Okay, so we need our molar mass. And this is where it's beneficial if you've been doing this with my little table method, because you're going to already have a lot of your work done. Okay, so there's my molar mass. That's my grams per mole. So what we have to do is we have to figure out the percent of the 18 grams that the 2 grams makes up and the percent of the 18 grams that the 16 grams makes up. So you should be able to tell that the oxygen percentage is going to be much higher than the hydrogen percentage, because 16 out of 18 is oxygen, where only 2 out of 18 is hydrogen. So we're going to divide by the total, and we're going to multiply by 100 to make it be a percent. Okay, so 2 divided by 18, that is 11.1%, and we want to do at least 1 decimal on these. And so then 16 divided by 18 is 88.9%. Okay, and you can check your answers to make sure that they're reasonable by adding them together. And so I get 100% exactly. Okay, so this compound is 11.1% hydrogen and 88.9% oxygen. Really easy. Okay, if you're still writing, pause it. If not, go ahead and jot down these 3 problems and try them. Okay, and I really mean for you to pause it and try these on your own so that you can see so that then you can check your work as I do the problem. So go ahead and pause. Oops. Oh, apparently I was going to work these right here. Okay, so CO2, 1 and 2 times 12 times 16. That's 12 and 32. That's 44. So then you're going to divide each of them by the total. Multiply by 100. Okay, so 12 divided by 44. That's going to be 27.3%. 32 divided by 44. That's going to be 72.7%. Okay, so that's the first one. Okay, you can pause at this point if you need to try the second one. If you didn't for real, I would love for you to try it. Need to see if you can do it. Okay, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, 6, 12, 6 times 12 times 1 times 16. That's 96. 12, 72. That's 180. Divide each of them by 180 times 100. Divide by 180 times 100. Divide by 180 and multiply by 100. Okay, so 72 divided by 180. That's 40%. 12 divided by 180. That is 6.7%. And then 96 divided by 180 is 53.3%. Okay, so that's my oxygen, my hydrogen, my carbon. Okay, hopefully these are easy. They should be. This is very simple math. Okay, and so then the last one, let me change colors because I'm afraid I might run into myself. A, L, C, and O. 2, 3, and 9. Okay, remember this 3 out here goes for the C and for the O. So 3 times 1 is 3 carbons, 3 times 3 is 3 oxygens. 2 times 27, that's going to be 54. 3 times 12, that's going to be 36. 9 times 16, that's going to be 144. We add that up. We get 234. So we'll divide by 234. Oh, my nose is itching. Oh my goodness. Divide by 234. And then we multiply by 100 to make it be a percent. So 54 divided by 234, 23.1% aluminum. 36 divided by 234, 15.4% carbon. 144 divided by 234, 61.5% oxygen. And again, that should add up to I did something wrong when I tried to check it. Yeah, I get exactly 100. Okay, so super easy. Read the directions carefully when you do the problems to see how many you need to do. Probably have to do the work on a piece of paper and then upload me a picture. You can either put the picture in the document or you can attach the picture separate. Okay, talk to you soon.